Hello Journey Academy families, Andy here, and I thought I would create a quick little video to give you a band tutorial. So Band is an app that is meant for communication for schools, and so it is the primary way we communicate with our families. It's not necessarily meant for the learners, it's specifically for the parents. And while we do send out probably 2 or 3 emails a year, 99% of our communication will come through Band. So I want to give you a quick overview of how it functions. So you'll notice that there's various bands, or you could call them channels. The school-wide is this first one that you see here, and I'll go ahead and click on it and open it up. And this is the main location where we store information. While there are calendars attached to every individual band, we only ever use the school-wide calendar. On the bottom row here, you see all these icons, and the third one over is the calendar icon. So when I click on that, it opens up the events. I can click through months, and all of our events have been entered in here. And this is where you will RSVP for an event. So say you're going to join us for the family park night. You're going to open that up. You're going to read all the details of the event, and then here it has your RSVP option. Whether you're joining, you just click on join, decline, or maybe. I'm going to back out of this, and I'll go ahead and back out of the calendar. One mistake people make often is they check the calendar in the studio band, but we never put any calendar details in studio bands. We only put it in the school-wide band. So backing out, you should be a part of the JA school-wide band, which one kind of rule of that band channel is that only staff posts on there. If you have something that you want to ask the community, like, hey, do you know a good eye doctor? Or inviting people to a barbecue at your house, we ask you to use this parent chat, so the one right below it. This is where all parent chat happens. If you're inviting people to something, if you want to make an announcement, if you have a leather couch you want to get rid of, you can put anything here on parent chat. But we do ask that parents not use the school-wide band just so we don't clutter up that feed, that only staff posts on the school-wide band. If you look, we have a Sparks band, actually Navigator Studio, that's going to be removed since we no longer have that. We have a Discovery Studio, Launchpad, Adventure Studio, and then we have a Lake McConaughey band just for those who are going on the summer Lake McConaughey trip so that they don't fill up the parent chat with that. We also have a JA Parent Book Club band. So once our parent book clubs kick off, you'll have all the information. And again, we don't want to clutter other feeds with people who don't participate in the book club. So that's why we pulled off all that discussion so that it doesn't clutter the parent chat or the school-wide post. So this is a kind of what you need to know about Band. The other thing is at this bottom bar, you're going to see the notifications tab, and this will just show you if anybody posted on any band you're part of. So if you could just get in the habit of clicking on notifications, and you'll see something in school-wide, you might see something unique to your Learner Studio, you might see something about a book club, but that's a good way to just see everything at a glance. And then there is a chat feature, and so the chat feature enables you to have one-on-one conversations with various people in our community, or to form a group chat with people. This is also a good place to tell your guide that maybe your learner's going to be late for school or something like that. You can open up a chat between you and your guide. So this is kind of a big overview of Band. I know that it takes there's a little learning curve to learning how to use it. However, once you've learned how to use it, it is a very efficient app. And so we do ask that you would put forth the effort to learning how to use Band, because there's lots of really good information on there for you. So thanks so much.